Welcome back. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing experience of the Redmi Buds 6. So let's start by opening the seal at the back of the box. And then once you've removed the seal, just open the box. So from here, the first thing that you can see is this piece of plastic that holds the Redmi Buds 6. Then inside the box even further, you have the user manual right here. Then that's it. So the Redmi Buds 6 do not come with a charging cable. So all you get in your box is simply the user manual as well as the buds. So you can open this plastic like that. And then here you have your Redmi Buds 6. So I'll be doing more videos about the Redmi Buds 6. If you want to watch any more videos, simply subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.